viewers, I welcome you to KCA Textile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be explaining how to wash different clothes types using the hand. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified about videos. I would like to first explain the nature of each of the fabric type. Number one is the shirts. There are three key areas that need to be washed thoroughly for a shirt. Number one is the collar. Number two is the armpit. Number three is the cuff. And same applies for blouses. We wash the neck, we wash the armpit and the cuff. You scrub them in order to remove the dirt that usually stocked up in there before you now wash the entire body. Then for delicate fabrics like nets, you do not scrub. You just wash gently and you twist gently. You do not twist hard. For trousers and skirts, the regions that need to be monitored well are the waist, the hip part where you sit, and the hem region of the trousers. You ensure to scrub them because they usually get very dirty before you wash the entire body. For beddings, because of their large size, you ensure to wash them in sections. You ensure to touch all sections. For suits, in washing of suits, you have to be very careful. Number one, you have to check the label. If the label says ironing, if the label says dry cleaning only, please don't hand wash. But if the label supports hand wash, you can go ahead and wash with the hand. But this has to be done gently. You do not scrub at all in order to avoid spoiling your suit. For underwears needs to be washed separately. Now let's move into the process. You start with white fabrics because they usually get stained. So you add the appropriate quantity of detergent into the water. Having done that, you allow it to dissolve and you soak in the white for like 3 minutes. After soaking, you wash appropriately, considering the sections that I've explained earlier. After washing, you squeeze and you rinse in clean water. Then you can now move to colored fabrics. You can move to colored fabrics. You soak them in water for like 3 minutes. Having soaked, you wash the sections explained earlier. You scrub it to remove all dirt. Then you wash the entire body. After washing, you squeeze. Then you rinse in clean water. Ensure that you rinse thoroughly. If the water gets soapy, you can rinse in another container. So when you rinse, you squeeze, and after squeezing, you ensure you dry your clothes under the sun to allow it to dry quickly. Now, this is the second time I'm rinsing the clothes. I start with the white and rinse it. Then the colored fabrics and rinse them as well. And rinse them thoroughly. You can see that the water is clear. Then I can go ahead to spread them inside the soil. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.